We're in a Coachmen CrossFit, brand new van line that we got here at Bucars. They actually use the Ford Transit van on it. A little bit more serviceability throughout the States and that, so when you're traveling, you can travel with confidence, and if something goes wrong, someone's got your back a little more. Probably the best thing is flexibility. You'll be able to go to places that you can't go in a motorhome, but still have the amenities that a motorhome can give you now. Vans in the past really didn't do that to a certain degree. So this one has, take for example, insulation that's even more than what some motorhomes are. This R15 in this thing. More comfort, but in a small package. There's been so many upgrades in the past few years with these vans. I'm glad we grabbed these. For these guys, we're right in the 100 to 150 range, so we're not 200, 250 that some of the vans are. That's what's always been the case. People are looking for that used van because they have to try and get that price range down. We've got it. We got 2 in stock right now. We got Bucars, of course, you have to come to. The hard thing is getting these. So sometimes it's best to be the early bird.